Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 14, surface area and volume of solid. Here we are going to discuss about three type of solids. First is cuboid, second is cube and third is cylinder. For cuboid, children, you all know that if 3D shape is a cuboid, means each of the face is in form of rectangle. So how to find out its surface area? Surface means for the plane which you can touch, where you can paste a paper, you can use cement, use it for cementing, you can paste wallpaper, you can use paint over it, this is called surface. Or you can use carpet on the floor, floor is also kind of surface. So how many plane surfaces we have in cuboid? We have, okay, look around your room, like I am teaching you in a classroom, and in our classroom we have one floor, one roof, left hand side walls and front and back walls also are there. So these are total 6 surfaces are there. So 6 surface means total surface area will cover all 6 surface area. The wall which is just in front of me or back side of me are having same kind of area. They will be having actually these are forming a wall is forming on the height. Breadth wise, if I will use bricks to make a wall, I will get area of the wall is breadth into height, because it is in form of rectangle. Similarly, the wall which is behind me, it is with the height and with the breadth. So area of this wall will be breadth into height. So how many times breadth into height we use? 2 times. So 2BH we will use. What about the wall which is both either side of me? So this wall is standing on the length of the room. So if I am using brick wall on the length, so I will get another wall, and the same wall I will be having breadth into length into height, and here length into height. How many length into heights? We have 2 times L into H. Okay, now we are talking about the floor. On the floor we are having L and B. L into B, rectangular floor, you are having the area of rectangle L into B. What about the ceiling? It is again length into breadth. So how many times length into breadth we use? 2 times. So in this way I am having 2 times L into B, floor and ceiling area same. 2 times B into H, this wall area and the wall which is in front of me are having same area, 2BH, that is where. And again I am having 2HL or LH you can say. Here we can see I have 2 in each and every term. I will take it out as a common value. So the formula would be 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is the total surface area of cuboid. We will write as TSA of cuboid. All 6 phases I have covered in this formula. Now we will talk about the area of 4 walls of a room, or we can say it is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means the area of the plane surfaces where you are not including ceiling and floor. So you have to remove these 2 areas from the formula. For this I will explain you another method. Suppose I wish to make 4 walls on a barren land. Suppose I wish to make 4 walls and I want to create some boundary of my plot. What I will do? I will use the boundary of my plot, and boundary stands for perimeter. My room is in form of rectangular, so I will use the perimeter of rectangle, and for making a wall I need some height. With the help of brick, I will create some height of the boundaries, so it will look like a wall of the plots. So for wall, our formula should be perimeter of rectangle multiplied by height. So how it will look like? What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Yes, we all know 2 multiply L plus B, and height will multiply with it. See, this is the basic formula. Usually question gives you the word problem like this. Ravi wants to paint a cabinet and he don't want to paint the roof or ceiling part of the box, and floor he will paste one paper. So he wished to paint all around the lateral surface area, what it would be. So you will directly apply 2 into L plus B multiply by height. Next solid shape is cube. We all know that a cube is a kind of cuboid whose each face in form of a square. If I am having a cuboid with side A, means all of the sides, length, breadth and height will all look like in the same measurement. So it will be known as length A, and it is also having a same length A. Means L, B, H both are, all three are equal. L is equal to B, B is equal to H, and both are having length A. Or we can say same side we will write. So in a cube, how many faces we have? Again we have same 6 faces are there. 4 walls, 1 floor and 1 is ceiling. So we have 6 faces, and all 6 faces are in form of square. So if area of one square is A square, so what is the area of such 6 squares? It is 6 side square. Okay, or we can say if the side is A, so I will write 6A square. What about the lateral surface area of cube? Lateral surface area stands for 4 wall areas where ceiling and floor are both are not in consideration. So how many squares are left out of 6 surfaces? We have only 4 surfaces, means these are 4 walls. 2 left and right, and another 2 is front and back walls. So how many squares we have? 4 squares. So area of 4 squares is 4A square, or we can say 4 side square. We will write 4 into A square. Let us move to the third solid shape, which is cylinder. In cylinder we can see we have one curved portion and 2 circular parts. So before explaining total surface area, I would like to discuss you all curved surface area, because without finding the curved surface area we are not able to find out the total surface area of cylinder. See, I am having a rectangular piece of paper. Here it is the length and this is called breadth. If along the breadth I wish to fold this rectangle piece of paper, what I will get? I will get a cylinder. This is called cylinder. It has one curved portion, 2 circular parts, which I have drawn already over there. But how to find out the area of curved surface area? This curved surface area is made up of rectangle, and this breadth converted itself into height. You can see breadth has converted into height of the cylinder. And what about the length? If I cut it again here, I will get again rectangle. Now this time I will show you how it will look. I am folding breadthwise and it is converting itself into circular boundaries. Circular boundaries are known as circumference of the circle. Means length is becoming circumference and breadth is converting itself into height. So here I will write curved surface area means it is equal to area of rectangle. It is L into B, but my length has converted into circumference, and my breadth, it has converted into height of the cylinder. So what is the formula for the circumference of circle? Yes, we have read earlier in class 7, it is 2 pi r. So I will write 2 pi r, and height I will represent by h. So it will look like 2 pi r h. Today onwards, CSA means curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now I will find out the total surface area of cylinder. Cylinder is made up of 2 circular parts and 1 curved portion. So we use all 3 areas to find out the total surface area. How? It will look like one circle area which is on top, one curved area, and another one circle which is at the bottom. Now circle area pi r square, we have one circle, so 1 pi r square, okay. And next is 2 pi r h, which is curved surface area, and again we have pi r square. So how many pi r square we have? We have like term 1 pi r square, 1 pi r square, this will give you 2 pi r square. And here 2 pi r h will remain as it is. Now children, we can see easily this 2 and 2 is common, pi is also common, and here we have 2 r's and here we have only 1 r. We can take out r with the minimum power as a common value also. So I will write 2 pi r, nothing is left, sorry, 1 r is left over there. And here 2 pi r is taken out common, so h is remaining. So total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r, r plus h. Here these are the basic formulas related to the area.